Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into knob. 11 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Pat. Which means a compact mass of soft material. Pat. For example, a pat of butter. Number 2. Protrusion. Which means something that protrudes. Protrusion. For example, a phonetician would comment on protrusion of the lips. Number 3. Piece. Which means a portion of an object or of material, produced by cutting, tearing, or breaking the whole. Piece. For example, the dish lay in pieces on the floor. Number 4. Growth. Which means a tumor or other abnormal formation. Growth. For example, he went to hospital to have a growth removed. Number 5. Protuberance. Which means a thing that protrudes from something else. Protuberance. For example, some of the duck-billed dinosaurs evolved protuberances on top of their heads. Number 6. Excrescence. Which means a distinct outgrowth on a body or plant, resulting from disease or abnormality. Excrescence. For example, the males often have a strange excrescence on the tip of the snout. Number 7. Lump. Which means a compact mass of a substance, especially one without a definite or regular shape. Lump. For example, a lump of coal. Number 8. Outgrowth. Which means something that grows out of something else. Outgrowth. For example, the eye first appears as an outgrowth from the brain. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Hitting the subscription button is the best way to stay connected. See you in the next video.